Hi, I'm Chris Cardona. Join me on an ultimate tour as we explore MSC Seaside, a revolutionary cruise ship design with wide open decks, European hospitality, and tons of features for the entire family. Coming up on Talking Cruise. The Art Gallery offers guests the opportunity to take home a piece of original artwork. See moments from your cruise come alive on the large screen, highlighting entertainment and activities, and you may even catch a glimpse of yourself. The 4-deck-high atrium, flanked by gorgeous Swarovski staircases, is the hub of the ship and a great place to enjoy live entertainment, cocktails, and mingle with other guests. The Seaside Bar, located in the ship's atrium, is the perfect spot for a drink while you enjoy live music. The Seaside Reception Desk is available 24 hours a day to assist with money exchange and any other inquiries. Speak to one of the future cruise consultants and receive special perks for making a new cruise reservation while on board. The Seashore Restaurant offers an elegant atmosphere for breakfast, lunch, and Aurea My Choice dining and assigned dinner seatings. Catch incredible new shows nightly, offering a mix of talented singers, dancers, acrobats, and a variety of other performances. The Piazza Grande hosts activities and live performances during the day and evening. Shop at one of the boutiques on board, offering watches and jewelry, cosmetics, clothing, accessories, and other duty-free items. If you like chocolate and gelato, or both, make a stop at the Venchi chocolate bar located in the Piazza Grande. Grab a stool or take in the view from one of the comfy chairs while enjoying a drink from the Shine Bar. Book shore excursions in your favorite ports at the MSC Excursions Desk. The Ipanema Restaurant offers a modern design and is open for assigned dinner seatings nightly. Try out your luck at table games and slots at the Miami Casino. Check out the excellent selection of brand name watches and sunglasses. Sip champagne along with available fine caviar and fresh seafood selections. Spend a fun time with friends and family at the bowling alley, F1 Simulator, and XD Cinema. The Garage Club offers a 50s-inspired decor featuring a full-service bar and dance floor. The Haven Lounge hosts special events and nightly live music with dancing. Rack 'em up and challenge your fellow cruisers to a game of billiards. Located next to the South Beach Pool, Venchi Gelato and Creperie serves freshly made gelato, frozen treats, and sweet crepes with your favorite toppings. The South Beach Pool is reserved for guests 18 years and older and offers an incredible aft view. The South Beach Pool Bar is your spot to cool off in the shade with a nice cold beverage. The Aurea Spa takes pampering their guests seriously, like seriously relaxing. Have a soothing massage or facial treatment, and definitely don't skip the amazing thermal suite. The MSC Gym offers the latest workout equipment in a bright and relaxed environment. Root with the crowd as you watch the latest games on the big screen, or cheer on your favorite team in one of the several pods with their own TV for smaller groups. The Seaview Lounge has a full-service bar and a variety of activities during the day and nightly live entertainment. Take home a variety of MSC logo merchandise, including toys, apparel, and souvenirs. The Infinity Bridge on both the starboard and port sides of the ship offers breathtaking views through the glass floor down to the ocean below. Bistro La Boheme Specialty Restaurant serves a variety of French sandwiches, entrees, pastries, and desserts. Located within the Marketplace Buffet and outside on the boardwalk, this full-service bar is sure to have something to accompany any meal. If you prefer, call buttons located on every table will notify a server to take your drink order. Select from a wide assortment of dishes from the Marketplace Buffet, open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner on most days. There is ample seating indoors as well as around the boardwalk. Definitely don't miss the freshly made pizza. Take a stroll around the wide waterfront boardwalk. The Top Sail Lounge is a great spot to relax with a drink and enjoy the vistas from the full height windows. This area is exclusively for guests staying in Yacht Club accommodations. The Yacht Club concierge is on hand to assist with any requests. The Wine and Cocktails Bar is a cozy area surrounded by 4 of the ship's main specialty restaurants. The Ocean Cay Specialty Restaurant serves a myriad of fresh fish and other seafood dishes with refined service and ambiance. Asian Market Kitchen by Roy Yamaguchi is a specialty dining experience offering 3 distinct venues, featuring Pan-Asian inspired dishes in the main restaurant, fresh delicacies in the sushi bar, and the flair and skill in the teppanyaki room. Style and mouth-watering flavors abound at the Butcher's Cut Steakhouse Specialty Restaurant. The Biscayne Bay Buffet is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, daytime soft-serve ice cream, late-night snacks, and freshly made pizza. The Miami Beach Bar offers plenty of shaded spots to sit and enjoy one of the many concoctions or indulge in some freshly made gelato. The Miami Beach Pool is open to all guests and features in-pool loungers, plenty of deck chairs, and a party vibe. The Miami Beach Sun Deck is a wide open space dedicated to daily activities, parties, and nightly movies on the big screen. Getting from deck to deck has never been more fun than on the glass panoramic elevators located aft that can take you from deck 7 to 16. The Bridge of Sighs is a curved catwalk perched up on deck 16, with the view clear down to the South Beach Pool on deck 7 and amazing views all around. Exclusively for Yacht Club guests, the Yacht Club restaurant serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner from an exclusive menu in an intimate surrounding. The Jungle Pool is a family-friendly area featuring a retractable roof for indoor-outdoor fun with bright colors and an exotic jungle theme. The Jungle Bar will have you going bananas for your favorite drink or a scoop of freshly made gelato. The Forest Aquaventure Park is a paradise for kids of all ages, featuring 4 water slides and a large splash pool with dump bucket, sprays, fountains, and kiddie area. Do-Re-Mi Land Kids Club features the Kiko Nursery for ages 12 to 36 months, Mini Club Lego ages 3 to 6 years, and Junior Club Lego ages 7 to 11. The Young Club is dedicated for guests 12 to 14 years and offers age-appropriate activities. The Teen Club is dedicated for guests 15 to 17 years and features a gaming area, cinema, and disco. The Yacht Club Pool and Sun Deck are dedicated outdoor spaces for guests in Yacht Club accommodations. Guests staying in Aurea Experience Accommodations can enjoy their inclusive beverage package at the exclusive Aurea Bar. Guests staying in Aurea Experience Accommodations can enjoy the private sun deck with towel service and 2 whirlpools. Hang on and get ready for an exhilarating trip over the aft decks on one of the 2 zip lines. Tucked all the way aft on Deck 19, the Miramar Bar affords great views. High above the water park, the Adventure Trail features 3 suspended rope bridges. Get in on a game of basketball, soccer, or other activities in the sports arena. Interior staterooms are 151 square feet. Sleep up to 4 guests. Feature 2 twin beds that convert to queen, some with 2 extra Pullman beds, bathroom with shower, and small sitting area. Ocean View staterooms are 183 square feet. Sleep up to 4 guests. Feature 2 twin beds that convert to queen, some with 2 extra Pullman beds, bathroom with shower, and round window. Balcony staterooms are 172 square feet. Sleep up to 4 guests, some available with Aurea level amenities. Feature 2 twin beds that convert to queen, sitting area, some with double sofa bed, bathroom with shower, and 48 to 97 square foot balcony. Super Family staterooms offer flexible accommodations for larger families with 2 to 3 connecting balcony staterooms that can sleep up to 10 guests. Each room features a queen bed, sitting area, some with double sofa bed, bathroom with shower, and balcony. Aurea Suites are 183 square feet. Sleep up to 4 guests, receives Aurea level amenities, and feature queen bed, sitting area, some with double sofa bed, bathroom with shower, and up to 172 square foot open air balcony. Aurea Aft Suites are 236 square feet. Sleep up to 4 guests, receives Aurea level amenities, and feature queen bed, sitting area, some with double sofa bed, bathroom with large shower, and up to 172 square foot wraparound balcony. Aurea Whirlpool Suites are 301 square feet. Sleep up to 5 guests, receives Aurea level amenities, feature queen bed, sitting area with double sofa bed, and additional Pullman bed, bathroom with tub, large closet, and 75 square foot balcony with Whirlpool tub. Aurea 1-bedroom grand suites are 344 square feet. Sleep up to 4 guests, receives Aurea level amenities, feature master bedroom with queen bed and window, bathroom with shower, sitting area with pop-up bunk bed, large walk-in closet, and partially obstructed balcony. Aurea 2-bedroom grand suites are 484 square feet. Sleep up to 5 guests, receives Aurea level amenities, feature master bedroom with queen bed and window, separate bedroom with 2 twin beds that convert to queen and Pullman bed, bathroom with tub, second bathroom with shower, sitting area with dining table, large walk-in closet, and large partially obstructed forward-facing balcony. Yacht Club interior suites are 226 square feet. Sleep up to 2 guests, have access to the exclusive Yacht Club amenities, feature queen bed, bathroom with shower, sitting area, and large closet. Yacht Club Deluxe Suites are 269 square feet. Sleep up to 5 guests, have access to the exclusive Yacht Club amenities, feature queen bed, double sofa bed, and some with additional Pullman bed, bathroom with shower, and 86 square foot balcony. Yacht Club Royal Suites are 667 square feet. Sleep up to 4 guests, have access to the exclusive Yacht Club amenities, feature master bedroom with large closet, bathroom with tub and shower, separate living room with convertible double sofa bed, and 355 square foot angled balcony with Whirlpool tub and dining table. Thank you for watching this ultimate cruise ship tour. Don't forget to like this video, post your comments and questions, and subscribe for more Talking Cruise.